Hi, this is Brent Haug, and I am going to work on the Toucan painting today and finish it up. I think you're going to like it, but I'm going to do it in real time, not in time lapse. The last video was actually timed 6 hours and it took only 31 seconds, but today I'm going to do it in real time. And so I think you're going to enjoy it. Put on some music and finish the Toucan painting. Okay, so right over here, I've got the paint set up. It looks like a mess, but I need all this paint just in case. Got my Diet Coke. The painting's right over here. So what I'm gonna do is set this down. These are my spots that I know where I'll probably be flipping the painting back and forth. So, you could see what I did here. Let's talk about the painting. I did the Toucan and I did it with palette knife. Really, really heavy, just like one flick of paint pretty much. I've got a little mistake here that I've got to go back over later because, you know, it's possible. It's just hard. Oil paints are messy and at times difficult to work with. It depends on what you're doing. But I really love texture. I've added some texture. I've added these lines. And then a nice smooth kind of I want it to look delicious, you know, really smooth in the background. And just that color, that pop of color. The Toucan's actually tilted. His beak is coming this way, so it's as if his beak is foreshortened. I wanted textural lines for the plants. Changing up colors. So I'm just telling you a little bit about what I've done so far. I'm gonna go in here, but I don't know exactly how that's gonna go. I'll probably come down with the sky a little bit more and then kind of do a jungly background. I'll have to watch my greens and then mute it and then pop in other colors. Probably taking some color off the Toucan and putting in dispersing some down here. If this starts to get too long, I'll shut it off and go to a time lapse, but I wanted to do a video. I think this is this video is to set you up so you understand what I'm doing. And then I'll do the time lapse video. Cool? Awesome.